Our generation didn't spend as much time in the outdoors as we could have growing up, and it can be overwhelming to try to find the simple resources that help break into exploring as a young family. As parents now, our collective goal is to create more meaningful memories with our kids by engaging in activities that allow us to be fully present. And now we have technology to help bridge that gap. We use location-based apps to help explore, trail sites to determine the best spots to see, pace trackers to make sure we're on track. Why not use Alexa to suss out the best local fishing spots, provide tips, and get a daily forecast? The Take Me Fishing skill for Amazon Alexa helps us prepare for our fishing trip. We can find nearby spots to fish, get the local fishing forecast, figure out which species to target, and get directions to the best fishing holes. I simply activate the skill in the app, then ask Alexa for help. Alexa, ask Take Me Fishing about fishing in Boise, Idaho.
Okay, please wait while I look up the fishing forecast. Today at Boise River, Idaho, it will be partly cloudy with temperatures ranging from 47 to 69 degrees. The best time to go fishing for largemouth bass is at 8 a.m. Would you like to hear more?
Yes.
Okay, other species you could catch in Boise River are smallmouth bass and rainbow trout. The best time to catch smallmouth bass is at 2 p.m. and rainbow trout at 6 a.m. So, what do you want to do next?
Alexa, ask Take Me Fishing for directions to Boise River.
The directions to Boise River have been sent to your phone.
Fishing is a great way to bring families together. With Amazon Alexa and Take Me Fishing, we can build memories one cast at a time.
Go ahead and download the Alexa app and enable the Take Me Fishing skill today.
For more tips and resources, head on over to TakeMeFishing.org.